Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we want to talk to you about blasting a part in wet blasting and not leaving abrasive residual behind. I know that's shocking, but you can do it, and this is how. First, I want to talk about a carburetor that we have here and the importance of disassembling that part prior to any wet blasting process. When you don't disassemble, you get water inside, you may get abrasive inside, and it just obviously doesn't leave a very good process. So please disassemble all of your parts as far as you can, and then you can get to wet blasting. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're back. We've blasted this part with soda. The reason we use soda is because a lot of people are concerned about getting abrasive inside the part and not being able to get it out. The brilliance of soda is that it's going to clean the surface. It's going to dissolve when you rinse it. Therefore, any liquid that's going to flow through this part, any residual abrasive that's left behind is going to dissolve. So there's no fear of leaving abrasive behind. Soda is a great opportunity for you to be able to clean up your parts and still not be concerned about damaging or seizing them up. We're going to use the Hydroblast to rinse these parts off, and this is going to give us an idea of how clean this part's going to be and how little abrasive is going to be left behind. So stay tuned. So we're back after using the Hydroblast. This is going to be a pressure of about 1500 PSI with heated water, so it goes up to about 120 degrees. We've used that as a second process to remove the abrasive. We've rinsed all of that off. We've gotten in all of the small areas, and we've been able to, as you can see, get a very clean and a very desirable part at this point. If you guys have questions about how you can use soda in your wet blasting cabinet, give us a call. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.